Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2025 Can-Am Maverick Trail 1000. We just fully loaded this baby up. Want to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. Let's start off on the front. Right on the front, right off the get-go, we did add that Can-Am 4,500 pound winch. We do have the rubber bump stop from KFI. We've added the front bumper. We've added the side shooter lights. We do have those directed out sideways, as you can see. Give some nice side light going down the trail. It's hard to miss that Tusk full glass folding down windshield. We've also paired that up with the Tusk light bar on the top. We did do the radius instead of the flat. Looks really good up on there. Can-Am side view mirrors. RYCO street legal kit. We'll cover that in a moment. The upper door window kit from Can-Am. The Can-Am Nerf bars. Around the back side, Razorback off-road rack. This thing is sweet. I was a little hesitant when we brought on this product. We hadn't had them in the store yet, and I always wonder what the quality, build, fit, and finish is like, and this far surpassed my expectations. Absolutely love it. They've done a great job on the assembly of this product. The powder coat's nice, the welds are nice, they've done a great job. Paired off with that, we did use their mounts on the sides for the Rotopax cans and then the spare tire mount as well. Those are all separate part numbers, or you can buy it as a kit. Of course, we do have a spare belt for the customer. Always recommend that, even though this isn't a belt-eating machine like a lot of the competition out there. We've also utilized the LINQ packs and LINQ mounts for this. We've got a 30 liter, a 20 liter, a 10 liter, and the cooler. What I love about this, no tools required to add or remove these into place once the installation is put on there. So you will need to add the mount kits for each one of these products. So the mount kit's gonna come with the LINQ mounts, as you see here, and all the hardware to mount them onto the bed of the machine or onto another product of the machine. Easy to take in and out. This is firm. This isn't going anywhere. No tie downs or nothing. Pull it out, boom, you're done. So super nice. Same with the cooler. We've also added the Can-Am rear bumper on this one. We also have the rear A-arm guards on the back. We've got the A-arm guards on the front as well. Very nice, very nice. On the inside of the vehicle, we do have the Can-Am rear window on it. On the inside, we do have backup camera, rear view mirror camera. We have the Can-Am heater kit and the RYCO street legal kit. We've paired it up with the door bags from Can-Am and the center console bag from Can-Am as well. And of course, when you turn the vehicle on, that RYCO street legal kit, down will be left, indicator lights up on the dash letting you know those turn signals are on, four-way hazard function, horn button, no problem, works really good, looks really good. Always love that RYCO street legal kit. Very nice, very nice. This is a 2025 Can-Am Maverick Trail 1000, and she's loaded up, ready for adventure. Super excited about this one. This is going to a relative of mine, Carl. You are gonna love, love, love this machine as you get out and explore, hunt, fish, camp. I'm excited to see where the adventures take you. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a good day, everybody.